Abafowethu, what a lose. Abafowethu, we gambled with the game. Yabona bafowethu, uKoshwado did good things for us, but ngenxa ye-league, but bafowethu ngeke. In cases where kumele avele as a coach, sometimes uyahluleka mfethu. Yabona namhlanje he failed. He gambled with the game mfethu with no reason. There was no reason yokushintsha i-lineup. There was no reason yokufaka uSelepe. He did very well second half, but there was no reason ukuthi ufake yena kule game. Wagcina nokudlala i-competitive game. For me, it's just saying ukuthi already sicabanga ukuthi sesiwine i-league. Okay, siyaqala i-game, it's fine. I think uMbuthuma got an injury. And then now, why are we starting uMbuthuma now? Because besidlala ngoMakgopa so far and bescore amagoli amaningi. uMbuthuma gets an injury. He chooses himself over a team. Uyabuya elimpa. After elimpile, azange enze ngisho i-run eyi-1 noma shot on target even eyi-1 because ubelimele. And then I think around 20 minutes or something, around 13, he comes off. Yes. And now the problem is pivot it was very on a walking distance between uSelepe Benombata first half. They were just walking. A call pass to Utito, a call pass to Umfukengi, no police, nothing. And into infrastructure is ukuthi ball ehlala kakhulu lapha emuva. The more ball phezulu speed sebenusiyema, we won't score. Even amagame amaningi fethu kwisizini bese ngakore mangabe ibhola ehlala kakhulu kuma defenders. Namhlanje ibhola bagcina kakhulu before kube khona i-final pass, kuba khona a touch before we pass. And then now, if especially Umbata today, upasa late. And then now, it's a problem because umhlela ngoMbuthuma kuba ngathi ukuthi asiphelele grounding because what into yenza uma ngabe ihambile team yayomaka uma ibhola semele liye phambili, he's nowhere to be found because uhlala kanje nama defenders nenoma idingo seneko. Yes, uthi irule as a striker akwazi nokukhuluma hle ngidiniwe. As a striker hlala in between ama defenders, right? It's fine. But uma ngabe ubose okay now kumele uphile kuma defenders uyenza ama run noma ucollect ibhola uhold up zi-involve kumdlalo, you know it to be fine. Yenza ukuthi uma sesibuya si-attack siphuthuma uMbuthuma ibhola seluzekile vele semele sibuyele back, so i-team yethu iba disjointed. You see abomfukeng beba frustrated. uMakgopa uwenzile i-difference indlela bezi-involve ngayo egamini, interception, ama-passes. Whenever uMakgopa ekhona, you can see the best of abomfukeng because now udlalele team. So that thing iyangicasula. Okay, first half siya ku-half time siyabuya ke like a sacrifice to Tito because now vele sesimenzi winga angalona is not quick. A sacrifice to Tito and then now sifake uMoremi. What he does, he brings uMoriko. Why? Sinokesha ngaphandle, sinodancing abantu abafiti vele ukudlala wagcina udlala uMoriko. And another thing, uma sifuna ukuwina i-Champions League bafethu, we need to take ourselves serious. Kuma-set-pieces, we need to hire a coach or masterpiece. I think sibe namakhono alako 16, not even a save from goalkeeper. Njalo ikhona mele iyodlalwa 1-2 bese kube uqhumu like ugcina icala qhumu and then nothing happens. Asikwazi bafethu ukudlala kanjena soya even kuma Champions League. Shukuthi uma singakwazi ukudlala ngabomfukeng, we done. Let's say umfukeng uyahamba this season, we done. Awa. Some games adinga aboshenko abantu abakwazi ukuphasa endaweni right abombule, but asikhulume ngayo bafethu game sidliwe le game. I believe ukuthi we're gonna win the game obit, but because ama players no coach uzobisazi ukuthi hey anything can happen. We took the game lightly. Even abombata they were just too casual abomfukeng to njalo uma umuntu etho chance ufuna ushooter njalo sometimes combine so 1-2 singene phakathi. What it does, ufaka undaba. Okay, ucoach uyathanda ukwenza abadlali aba-right babuye bad kuma fans. Uwagcana nondaba ukhompyutha. Umfaka egamini esi-high vele but uthi akenze. He comes in, it's very casual, it's very cold. He comes in, uluza amabhola enjalo wrong. What if uluza ibhola langena bese gxika undaba. Same thing ayenzile even kunemntanje la. So I'm very frustrated bafowethu. Let's see ukuthi igame yobhizi siphatheleni. Yo, hayi bafethu iPirates engayenzi lento. Hawa. Uzobona kwigame yobhizi uzofaka i-lineup efanele because you know to win ama games kanje you need ama players are best on the field. Hayi ngaphandle on the field. So, hawa. Danko bafowethu.